Oh, I accidentally didn't record, so this happened. I'm recording and then it stopped. So I'm gonna do it again. Okay. I was watching some videos, but maybe later. Okay. I okay. Yes. Okay, and watch. Wait, here. Now,
We've done that before, Adam. Pay attention. Guys, it has to have something to do with this. This is the only thing we can do. Wait. Oh, bro.
Galing! Magaling!
Goodness. Okay, I think I know what to do.
Ano
So we activate that. And then
Magaling!
so it's charged up here. What?
I'm watching some videos.
Oh, go. Hurry!
Magaling!
Little
Magaling!
more.
Magaling!
Oh, man, do it again. Come on. It should turn on this battery here. Come on. Yeah, and then we do it again. Nice! Oh, it still didn't make it. A little bit more. Oh, no, wait, no. I think that's good. Yep, nice. Okay, and then we do the same things for above, right? Yeah, it has to be. Maybe. Oh, no. No, it's this one. It's this one. Oh, the other side. I think it's this one. Yep. No, you can't move this one. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Let me think, bro. This is a really tricky puzzle. Hold on.
Kaya binulog lang.
So how would you get this one over there? Oh, you have to move that one first. Adam lied to me. You lied! Why would you lie, Adam? Wait. Stop! Don't even
Oy,
say it. Why would you lie?
stop na yan. Mag-review. Matt!
Okay.
Top one first. So this was
Bye.
a total mistake.
Basa.
Oh, what's